I'm Rita Latham. I live in Castle Woods. On June 21st, 2024, I became 87 years old. I love to teach fitness classes. I got certified in group exercise. I went to Delta State, got certified to teach yoga and Pilates. Several years ago, I injured my right knee, and so I went and took Dr. Hosman. He said, "You need a knee replacement." So I said, "At my age?" And he said, "Yes, you would do good." I went to Dr. Futvoye for an appointment. My initial thoughts were, oh no, I don't want to have surgery. I don't want to have anesthetic. It'll be painful. My other thought was, I don't want to go so far that I can't get it fixed. I wanted so bad to get back to my exercise classes. I just love them, and I know they're good for me, and I know I can help other people. I was very, very pleased when I went and met him, and I said I might be too old, and he said he didn't go by age. He just went by how he could help me. And so I was very, very pleased. You think the other knee is your good knee? After a few weeks, you're gonna have a new good knee. I had a knee replacement at Capital Ortho, and now I'm moving better and living better.